Skype for mass communication. Now I'm again with another tutorial, very simple tutorial. You can see I have iPhone 14 Plus at my hand. So I'm going to show you how you can put the percentage meter for your battery in iPhone. In some cases you want to see how many percent battery is left. If you see as this is not clear exactly, so what you do in this case, you have to find setting option. Here we go, setting at the corner. Hit this one. So when you hit setting option, you have to find here battery option. Here we go, battery. So hit the battery option, go inside. This is the first option. You're very simple, battery percentage. So you have to hit this button here to activate. Now you can see I have 44% battery left. Only you have to activate the battery percentage meter in this case, so you can see always how much percentage battery you have. Very simple tutorial guys, you will not have any problem. So go inside setting, check the battery and activate that. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.